9:36 a.m. District Court, Defendant Lobby, number 4. Number 4.
Not 1, not 2, not 3.
Hey, Nick!
Oh, what is it? Is something wrong? She's waiting patiently while Nick is wandering around the lobby looking for his phone.
Nah, but did you see all the people here? It's crazy. Ah! Why did you knock over, Phoenix?
The toilet brush.
He's cleaning the court toilet.
Yeah.
Oh! Okay, check out the mask glossy photo I bought.
You bought this? Where? From the little tents in front of the courthouse. They have all sorts of things for sale.
Why is there a tent selling stuff in front of the courthouse?
Gotta make that money, baby! Gotta get that bread!
You know I'm a sucker for this kind of stuff. Is this the mask?
It's Rhonda Light.
Come on, guilty. Look at me.
Who's whispering like that?
Oh, Mr. Wright, you made it.
Yeah, I did. But it doesn't look like things are going to get any less ugly for you.
Not very nice. Because I did it. I'm the criminal. Me. He's at it again. I sent the calling card to Lordly Taylor. I admit it.
But you didn't have the sacred urn, right?
Well, that's true, but it doesn't mean I didn't commit the crime.
Normally, when I say, of course you didn't, I'm being sarcastic, but you, yikes!
Anyway, I admit I'm guilty. Just make sure they give me a guilty verdict, please.
Oh, there you are, Ronnie. Bonjour, sweetie.
Oh, Desi, honey, bonjour. Well, actually, I don't really know why I should be speaking French to you at a time like this.
Leave it all to me, Ronnie. I swear I'll protect you.
You see, actually, the thief is me.
I tell you something, Nicky boy. I guarantee that Ronnie is innocent. If he's declared guilty, I'll be ever so cross with you.
So why are you smiling when you say it?
Well, if you'll excuse me, I've got some errands I need to take care of. I'm counting on you, Nicky boy. Good luck.
You're too many voices.
To be honest, I really don't know whether Ron is masked or not. But there's only one thing I am sure of. He doesn't have the sacred urn right now.
Mr. Delight, it's time for you to enter the courtroom.
First I thought it was Funky Kong, and it was like Feisty Funky Kong or something.
For the time being, I guess I'll have to trust Desiree.
That's alright. Desiree.
October 13th, 10 a.m., District Court, courtroom number 6.
Court is now in session for the trial of Mr. Ron Delight.
The defense is ready, Your Honor.
Sure doesn't sound like it.
The defense is Your Honor ready. What about the prosecution? Are you prepared to...
What a stupid question.
What did you say to me?
Fine. Let me ask you then, Your Honor. Are you ready? Are you ready to pass judgment?
No, I am not. I will pass judgment after I hear arguments from both sides.
Well, if you're not ready yourself, you shouldn't expect others to be. That's a rule to live by.
Who are you?
I am Godot, legendary prosecutor. I've never lost a case.
He's the one Detective Happy was talking about.
Why is he louder and louder?
It scared her. Yes, your reputation precedes you. What kind of cases have you dealt with so far?
Ha! None.
What did you say to me?
I've never prosecuted a case before.
Never? But you said you've never lost one.
Exactly. I've never lost. I've never won before either.
He's a complete newbie. Quite arrogant for a beginner, aren't you?
Even the mightiest of redwoods begin their lives as mere saplings.
Yes, but a mask in a court of law?
Don't you know anything? No matter the man, we all wear masks, either on our faces or over our hearts.
This guy's the real deal, alright, Nick.
Why does it seem like all prosecutors are the real deal?
So we finally meet Mr. Phoenix Trite.
Hmm?
Nick! Is he some kind of friend of yours?
No! I don't have any friends that call me Trite. Just who is this masked man?
I've returned from the depths of hell to do battle with you.
Well then, Prosecutor Gobo.
It's not Gobo, it's Godot, Your Honor.
In any case, please give your opening statements, Mr. Gobo.
Opening statement? Those things are not fit for even dogs to consume. I have only one thing to say before we start. To you, Mr. Trite.
What is it?
Are you familiar with the saying, a chain is only as strong as its weakest link? I wonder how much you can withstand before you and your case break in two.
Well then, let's hear from the witness.
Always Gumshoe.
My name is, known as Ask for Your Name, witness.
Sounds like Gumshoe.
I was close to getting it.
A slightly edgier voice to talk to himself.
The important thing is what you know, or that's all. Start talking. We're listening. Yes, sir.
All right, witness. First, let's hear about what do you know about the thief that stole the urn?
Yes, sir. Master Mask is a master thief that first started his crime spree 6 months ago. He's so confident that he sends his calling card before he even commits the crime. This was his 5th heist, and as usual, he sent a card to Lordly Taylor. His pattern is to always go after only the most precious art pieces. That's why we're sure it was Mask to Mask, sir. It fits his MO to a T.
So then, the actual identity of Mask the Mask is Mr. Godot. What are you?
Does he think Mr. Godot is the Mask to Mask?
We're in the middle of a trial here, Mr. Godot.
Blacker than a moonless night, hotter and more bitter than hell itself. That is coffee. I'm sure you can grant me at least this much. Your honor. Oh, please, proceed.
Very well. It's only coffee after all.
What? You can't be letting him slide this early in the trial.
I think if Phoenix wanted a coffee, I think the judge would let him.
Proceed with your cross-examination, Mr. Wright.
Well, Nick, what are you gonna do?
As long as they haven't brought up the Mr. Delight's identity, all we can do is show that it wasn't Mask to Mask who stole the urn. Have you been involved in the investigation from the beginning?
Yup. Nobody knows more about the thief than me, pal. It's true, I'm a Zari, author on thieves.
An author? He's written books about thieves?
I think he probably meant to say authority.
Why is it the only picture they have of Maya, like, looking right but not talking? Is her, like, looking like she's sweating and having some kind of stomach bug or something? I think I just gave her a normal look that isn't all sweaty and sick looking.
I don't think she's supposed to look sweaty and sick. She's supposed to look like, I can't believe this guy.
Yes, but she's like hunched over like she's dying and she's got like sweat running down her face.
The fact that this guy could slip through even my fingers shows how good he is, pal.
It's easy when those fingers happen to be butter fingers. So nobody knows more about the thief than you? Huh?
You got it, pal. Except maybe for the thief's mom, that is. I think her name's like Desiree or something.
But isn't there someone who knows even more about him than the police?
You don't mean Detective Zvari, do you?
Who is this person, Zvati?
He sounds German.
His name is Luke Atme, sir. I guess I shouldn't have made up such a silly name for him.
Oh, what the heck? I guess he's not all that famous after all.
Anyway, it's true he did manage to retrieve the last item the thief stole.
Oh, I see. It seems you are not the expert you claim to be.
Looks like the thief is toying with me even now. He's so confident that he sends his calling card before he even commits the crime.
Have you seen all these so-called calling cards?
Of course I have. Except the person in charge of the treasure exhibit never brought their card to the police. So I didn't see this one until after the crime occurred.
That's because Detective Atme stopped Miss Andrews from taking it to the police.
Was the calling card that Lord Lee Taylor received authentic?
Well, all the calling cards have one common identifying feature. But we're not releasing that information to the general public.
But you're absolutely certain that this card is real. Gumshoe can't say it out loud, but I bet he's talking about Master Mast's emblem.
They're selling merch outside. I don't think they really have to worry that much about hiding it.
His fifth heist, and your fifth screw up, huh? And your fifth screw up, huh? Oh, and your fifth screw up, huh?
Objection, pal!
Phoenix, like, ripped that whole insult down, but then forgot how it went.
I just realized what you're trying to say. That ain't fair. Maybe you could say I screwed up 4 times. This last time wasn't my fault. I didn't know about the calling card this time.
You of all people shouldn't be chuckling about this, Detective Gumshoe.
I just want everyone here in the courtroom to know something. If you ever get a calling card from this guy, don't call some stupid private eye. Call your local police right away. Got me?
Wow! It looks like he's really got it in for Detective Atme.
Art pieces? Like what, for example?
Well, his first target was the famous Tear of Eminon.
What is that? Some kind of especially salty teardrop?
No, sir. It's a blue diamond, a single rare diamond. Next was the Crown of Angora. You know, the thing you put on your head. After that was the left hand of Hades, and then the portrait of Mahina, sir. Detective Atme retrieved the portrait of Mahina and returned it to the museum.
And the target of his fifth and last robbery was the sacred urn, right? But isn't it difficult for him to dispose of such famous art pieces?
Well, we assume he must have some underworld connections.
Somehow, Mr. Delight doesn't look the type.
Yeah,
Why don't they use that one more often? That's a normal picture of not stomach flu Maya.
Yeah, he's a little too sunny to be hanging out in the underworld. What do you mean? It fits his MO to a T.
I was thinking of asking the same thing myself.
I wish you two would listen a little more closely, pals. First of all, there's the calling card. We're 100% certain it's authentic. Then there's the fact that he seemed to know all about the security system. And finally, his target was an art piece. These are all part of the thief's modus operandi.
And so, since this robbery seems to fit all those conditions...
That's right. It means Mask to Mask is behind it.
Nick! Definitely looks like it was Mask to Mask that stole the urn.
But there's no real evidence either way as to whether Ron Delight is Mask to Mask.
But...
Also, the urn hasn't turned up yet, let alone in connection to Mr. Delight himself.
So even though we know it was Mask to Mask that did it...
Maybe for the time being, I should try to show it wasn't Mask to Mask that did it.